So navigation buoys, marks, and beacons. Navigation buoys, marks, and beacons are essential aids to maritime navigation. They are used to guide ships and boats safely through waterways and all around potential hazards. These navigational aids are typically placed in harbors, rivers, channels, and other water bodies to provide reference points and information to mariners. Types of navigation buoys. Buoys. These are cylindrical in shape and are typically green in color. Buoys mark the port or left side of a channel when entering from seaward, an example in the open sea. Second is the buoys. These are conical or tapered in shape and are usually red. Buoys mark the starboard or right side of the channel when entering from seaward. Third is the spar buoys. These are tall, narrow buoys that can be either red or green. They're often used to mark mid-channel or junctions. And last is the special purpose buoys. There are also buoys with specific shapes, colors, and characteristics that indicate particular information, such as safe water, isolated dangers, or regulatory areas.
Navigation marks. Navigation marks are aids to maritime navigation used to provide information and guidance to mariners, helping them safely navigate through waterways and around potential hazards. These marks can be in the form of buoys, beacons, fixed structures on land, and they serve various purposes. Lateral marks. These are the familiar red and green buoys denoting port and starboard sides of the channel. Cardinal marks. Cardinal marks are used to indicate safe water, and their pattern of black and yellow colors indicates the direction of safe water. There are four types: north, east, south, and west, each corresponding to one of the cardinal points on a compass.
Isolated danger marks. These marks indicate the presence of a single, isolated danger, such as submerged rock or wreck. They are often black with one or more horizontal red bands. Safe water marks. These indicate the deep water route, and they are typically spherical or pillar-shaped with red and white vertical stripes.
Navigation beacons. Beacons are fixed structure often located on shore, which can be natural or man-made. They serve as navigational aids by virtue of their location, shapes, and color. They can be found to entrance to port on piers and other important points. Types navigation beacons. Shapes beacon have different shapes such as cone, triangle, square, or rectangle. Color. The color of beacons can provide information to mariners such as red, green, similar to buoys. Lighting. Some beacons are equipped with the lights that flash remote or have other distinguished pattern to help mariners identify them at night in poor visibility condition.